Good morning to all traders and welcome to another video of markets in waves. Today is the 2nd of March of 2021 and we're going to have a quick update using of course our early wave analysis on the US index, euro, pound, silver and also a stock which is General Electric, GE. So on the US index, we've been expecting, to be honest, I was expecting this to be the end of wave 4 down here. And I was looking at this as an ABC. It was supposed to be the first wave of an ending diagonal. I was expecting wave 2, then 3, 4, and 5, right? For wave 5 in the intermediate degree. Now, obviously, with this somewhat impulsive move on the upside, we have to take into account a different count. And with the signals from the MACD, of course, also on the RSI supporting this upside, we've had to look at an alternative count. This count is something that we've mentioned in the past as an alternative, that this is probably going to turn out as a double zigzag or a double three. For now, we're looking at this last move on the upside as part of wave A. And to be honest, I'm expecting a correction soon, maybe even today, because we get signals from the RSI and the MACD, mainly from the MACD, that is going to actually be wave B. And then we're going to say another 5-wave impulse on the upside to complete wave C, which is wave C of Y or 4. Once we get to 4, then in the medium to longer term, we're going to probably get another leg down to complete intermediate wave 5. Now on euro dollar, obviously the first scenario also would be that, this is an ABC, this is an ABC, and we're going to get an ABC as well. And then wave 4 is going to be down here, which means that we're going to get a double three or a double zigzag as well in wave 4. But I'm also very keen on this particular opportunity being an impulse on the upside, because this wave over here looks a little bit corrective, guys, okay? And because this is a bit corrective, and we're pretty much done the 78.6 Fibonacci extension of wave 1, I'm more keen to see this actually moving up in wave 3 than 4 and 5, and we're looking for at least 125, right? Now, that said, okay, we could slide lower. I mean, the 120 would make a perfect level. First of all, because it's a big psychological hurdle. Second, because around that level, we're going to meet the descending trend line of the ending diagonal that we saw in wave C of 4, okay? Now, as long as we remain above 119.48, then this opportunity is more likely to happen. Now, the important thing is that we also get a very supportive signal from the MACD here in the longer term, with a very nice signal on the upside. And this is what makes me also favor that scenario rather than the one that we are still correcting. Pound is a different story, okay? With pound, to me, it looks like we ended this move on the upside in wave 4, cycle wave 4. And now this is where we're going to get wave 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. In the short term, we see that internally the MACD histogram shows us a very nice signal, right? I think we might get a false break below the regression channel, okay, just to get some sellers in. And then we're going to start moving a little bit higher to get a correction ABC and then continue lower. And this is going to be wave 3. And for wave 3, I'm expecting the break of the lower channel as well, okay? The other scenario, of course, for pound is that, we're going to get some sort of ABC over here, We're going to stop at this regression low and we will continue higher, which means all of that is going to move over here. And obviously that is going to be perhaps 1, 2, then that would be 3, that would be 4, and that would be 5, right? And obviously a motive wave, perhaps even some sort of ending diagonal here, open-ending diagonal for the pound as well, okay? Now quickly on silver. Silver is moving exactly I was expecting, to be honest. If you haven't looked at my silver count, this is an A, B, and a C for me. It's the only way we can get a truncated C by running flat. Okay, since we broke that, we can consider this as an expanded wave B for the flat. Yeah. Now we're expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 around 2357 or so to take out this particular correction, to finish this correction. Okay. Now, if we go a little bit closer now, what is going on here is that we've had waves 1 and 2, and we're going down for wave 3. The 61.8 Fibonacci extension of 1 and 2 comes at 2573, which is pretty much where we're going to go today. I would be expecting actually that to break, because this would be wave 3, and then 4 and then 5. Yeah, we'll get 3 and then 4 and then 5 again. Very nice signals also on the MACD on the RSI. They're not divergences, but they really indicate the strength in momentum. And last, General Electric, as I said, is very interesting count as well. It looks impulsive, but it's, in my opinion, it's part of a correction. Yeah, so because I'm looking at this as an A, I'm looking at the B, and then I'm looking at a C, okay, in the long term. Now, wave A over here. We've had 1 and 2, we've had 3, an open triangle in 4, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to me. So I'm expecting, because there is no other levels taken into account, at least at this particular moment, if we connect waves 1, 3, and 4 over here, yeah, the 61 extension takes us to 1435. So I am expecting, also because we see some signals supporting the upside move, okay, still, the 1435 to start giving us some signals on the downside, okay, and from there, this is of course going to be then wave B, yeah, in the intermediate degree, and then a wave 5. Now, if we assume we're going to go up there, yeah, at 1435, then we can look at a pull back down to anywhere between 11 and 8 or so, and from there, you know, continue higher. So guys, this will be all for the day. If you like the video, you know, you can click the like button and also subscribe to keep updated with the markets. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have an alternative scenario, as always, do not hesitate to comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can.